This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Lark. We'll explore their core functionalities, highlighting what makes each platform unique. Our goal is to help you understand which tool best fits your needs, whether for personal organization or team collaboration. We'll delve into their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases, providing a clear overview to guide your decision-making process. Let's get started by examining their fundamental purposes and how they approach productivity. When we dive into features, Notion stands out with its highly customizable pages and powerful database capabilities, allowing users to build almost anything. Lark, on the other hand, shines as an all-in-one solution, seamlessly blending chat, video calls, and collaborative documents. Notion offers unparalleled flexibility for unique workflows, while Lark prioritizes a cohesive, integrated experience to keep teams connected and productive without needing multiple applications. For collaboration, both platforms offer strong capabilities. Notion provides real-time editing and detailed permission controls, making it excellent for shared knowledge bases and projects. Lark's strength is its native integration of communication tools, where chat, video, and documents are inherently linked for effortless teamwork. Notion boasts a vast array of third-party integrations, while Lark focuses on a tightly integrated internal ecosystem to streamline team operations. Regarding pricing, Notion offers a free personal plan and paid options starting at approximately $8 per user per month. Lark provides a very generous free plan for up to 50 users, with competitive paid tiers. Notion is perfect for those who need extreme flexibility and customization for personal or project management. Lark is the go-to choice for teams seeking a comprehensive, integrated platform that combines communication and productivity tools into one seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.